Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get verification or to get verified on Amazon Music. Just go ahead to your browser and here it says how download the app from the App Store or Google Play and open the app. Be sure to fill out all the fields on the verification page, including company. If you don't have a separate record company or management company name, just put your band or artist name in this field and basically confirm via your own social media links. Right now, if you want to know how to get verified on Amazon Music, head to the artist.amazonmusic.com and then sign in to your Amazon account. Select your artist name and complete all fields and fast track your verification by including social media links and more. And basically, after you've done all of that steps, or after you've done all of those steps, you're gonna be able to verify that this is your account, basically. Right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.